Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general combined reading for my fire sign viewers. So basically this reading is going to be for Aries, Leo and Sagittarius people. Fire sign viewers, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. In this reading I'm going to see how your person feels about you, okay, and how you feel about your person, your mutual energies and the future potential of your relationship with your person, okay. So I'm going to pick one card to see your energies towards your partner, your partner's energy towards you, and your mutual energies and the future potential of this relationship, okay. So your person's energy towards you is the Hermit. Now let's see your energy, the Star, okay. I have got two cards, okay. The mutual energy of this relationship is the Devil and the future potential is the Hierophant. Your person is very silent towards you, okay. They are observing your actions, okay. They are seeing you or analyzing you, okay, from a distance. They have closed their eyes from you and they are very silent. Plus I'm seeing that they are not taking any action towards you. Maybe they are planning to offer you something in this love, or maybe they are planning to maybe they are just observing you or observing your behavior towards them and towards the other persons, so that on that basis they can take some solid action towards this relationship in future, okay. So they are very silent right now. And I'm seeing that there is no communication between you and your person, because the person is very silent. They are not talking to you right now. They are observing you or they are analyzing you, okay. That's your energy, the Star. I feel that you are in some healing process, okay. And I also feel that some of you are hiding something from your person. It's basically because your person is silent towards you. That's why if they are silent, so you have nobody to talk to, okay. You have no one to share your heart or share your emotions with, okay. And that's why you are hiding your pain or your emotions with your person, because you feel that your person is not going to understand your feelings and emotions. That's why you are also not taking any action towards them, and instead of focusing on them, you are focusing on your mental peace and you are working towards your healing, okay. But I feel that soon sooner or later you will definitely get some clarity from your person. Once they'll be out from that Hermit energy, then that time they will definitely coming forward to talk to you and to share their heart with you, or to give you any conclusion about this relationship, or some final commitment, or he could I mean they could say anything, so I feel that something is definitely going to happen for you in coming time. And the mutual energy of between you and your partner is the Devil. Both of you are obsessed with something. I don't know why, or I don't know what. Maybe you guys are obsessed with some material thing, but that's not the case, because your person is silent. I feel that your person is silent towards you, but apart from that they are very much obsessed with someone. It could also happen that your partner is in third party situation, okay. And it could also happen that they are obsessed to earn more and more money, okay. It could also happen for some of you. okay. And on the other hand, I feel that you are also obsessed with something or someone. I feel that you are obsessed with your person, and your person is obsessed with some other thing. It could be money, it could be some other person, it could be material things, finances, could be anything. So both of you are obsessed with something, and it's you who is obsessed with your person, okay. That's why you are not disturbing them, you are just taking your time to heal yourself, okay. The star card, the future potential of this relationship is the Hierophant. So I feel that in coming time, you guys, both of you are coming together to heal each other, okay. I feel that your person is definitely coming towards you in coming time, and they will be out from this Hermit energy, and you will be out from this star energy, and eventually you guys will be talking to each other and sharing your heart with each other, and by the same, you guys are also healing each other. Plus either you or your person is going to take some healing session from some spiritual gurus, okay. You will be in a spiritual growth path. That's what I'm feeling with this card, the Hierophant card. So either you or your person is definitely going to take some guidance in spiritual uh, about spiritual awakening, basically. And it could also happen for some of you that you guys are talking to your elders or talking to your family members to take this relationship on next level, okay. So I feel that when you will come together and you will discuss about your problems or emotions, or your, when you will share your heart with each other, then definitely a big conclusion is coming, or big good news is coming in your life, okay. And that's why you will be talking to your elders in your home, that I want to marry my person, okay. That could also happen for some of you, okay. Now let's take some angels messages. Let's see what angels are saying. Meditation brings answer, okay. So both of you are in healing thing or meditating thing, okay. So your person is being silent towards you, and you are also taking your time to heal yourself. So angels are also asking you to meditate more and more, as much as you can do, okay. And yes, that will bring you to the answer. For some of you, angels are saying that you need to reconsider this option. Maybe there is some other person in for you, for some of you, okay. And maybe you need to reconsider the same relationship with the same person, okay. This is for some of you. And for some of you, angels are saying once you'll ask for help, then helpful people definitely will come forward and help you, okay. And I feel that once you'll decide to move forward in this relationship with your partner, and as I said, you'll be talking to your elders, maybe you'll be talking to some spiritual gurus, okay. So definitely helpful people will come forward and help you to get what you want in this life or in this relationship, okay. Now let's take some universe messages for you. Let's see what universe wants to tell you. That you have options in meaningful rock on, okay. If I could make just two wishes, I wished I could somehow convey to you that profound depth of my gratitude for every moment of your life. I'd also wish that you could somehow know of your unimaginable importance, just as you now are, to the lives of so very many. And of course, I'd wish for even more wishes. Oh shoot! So that was the message from universe for you, okay. Now we'll take some secret love notes from your person. Let's see what they want to tell you. That was the message which I got from the universe for you. Now let's see the secret love note from your partner, okay. So your person is saying, I wish you were here, or I was there, or we were together anywhere. So your person definitely wants to connect with you, but they are in some observing kind of energy. Okay, they are in hermit mode, so they will take some time to come forward and talk to you. Okay, let's see the second message for you. You are loved. Let's see the third message for you. All of me loves all of you. That was the third message. And now let's see what is the fourth message for you. We have an unbreakable bond. So yes, even though you guys are not in talking terms right now, but the bond between you and your person is unbreakable, no doubt about it. Okay, so I forgot to tell you the signs. So fire sign viewers, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Virgo with this hermit card. Okay, and we have Taurus also with this Hierophant. Okay, so some of you could be dealing with Taurus, some of you could be dealing with Aquarius with this Star card. Okay, and what we have now, and some of you could be dealing with Capricorn. Okay, so so that was the reading for fire sign viewers. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye.